on the front porch? What are you doing? Jordan? What you doing? Writing your name? Very serious. You ready to put your stick away? Can you put your stick away? Goodness. Okay, put your stick away. Say bye-bye, stick.
Bye.
Okay, put it away. What are you doing? The stick doesn't go in the house. Good girl. Come put your stick down. Thank you. Okay, go put it away.
Inside.
No, not inside.
No, inside.
No, the stick doesn't go inside.
No, inside.
Bring the stick outside. Jordan, Riley, 1, 2. Good girl.
What? Yumma.
Can you put your stick away?
What?
Don't say what.
What?
The stick. Put your stick away. Thank you. Now go put it away.
No.
Come back here, Missy. Come back here. You're too much.
Oh no, bunch.
What are you going to do with your stick? Put it away.
What?
It doesn't go inside. You know what. Are you all done? Are you all done?
Yes, I'm done.